Is how to recover deleted contacts on your iPhone. You can easily recover your contacts which you have deleted on your iPhone. To do so, go to your Windows PC and here launch your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and here type iCloud.com. Here click on iCloud. In iCloud window, simply scroll down and click on sign in. Put your credential, email or iPhone, iCloud ID, and sign in. When you sign into on this website, Apple records certain usage data for choose continue. Now a verification code the next will be sent on your iPhone. Choose trust and enter verification code which you have entered which you have received on your iPhone and log in your iCloud.com. In this page, scroll down and you will find various access of your iPhone. Scroll down and from the bottom of the page you will find the option data recovery. Tap on data recovery, click on it, restore deleted files, bookmarks, contacts and calendars. Click on data recovery and choose here contacts. Scroll down, restore files, restore bookmarks, restore contacts. Click on this link and restore contacts. You can restore your contacts. So simply when you restore your contacts will be archived on your iPhone. Restore contacts, again click on restore. Now your deleted contacts from iPhone is restoring, and once successfully restored you will receive a message your contacts were successfully restored at time, and press OK. Now you can see your contacts, all deleted contacts have been restored on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone and enjoy. That's all.